Hey, do you want to know what the number one highest paid profession in the world is? It's sales. And there's many different forms of sales: door-to-door sales, real estate, telemarketing, selling over the phone, direct sales, solar, selling alarms, selling cable TV, insurance. Now, do you want to know the best possible way that you can do sales, a salesperson's dream? It's called high-ticket remote closing. This is where you partner up with online coaching businesses in the online coaching and e-learning space, so online entrepreneurs, and you partner with them, you close their sales for them between $5,000 and $30,000, and you get paid commission checks immediately when the money lands in the bank account within 7 days, which means you get paid straight away. You're not fighting over another salesperson for leads. You've got inbound warm leads that come straight into the calendar. So say goodbye to wearing the suit, having to show up to an office, having to knock on doors. You can literally do this from the comfort of your own home or from anywhere in the world. The leads come through in an abundance, piping hot in your calendar, ready to go. You take them through a 2-step simple process, and you get paid between 10 and 20% commission just from focusing on one skill, one focus, one offer in this industry. So if you're interested in the opportunity, click on the link below, learn more. We've got a quick 15-minute video that details our 3-step method on how you can get started in a matter of 3 weeks. This is a salesperson's dream, and you can book a call with myself or our team.